Darwin again. So, you can talk to me now. Excellent. But you may have noticed something. My replies sound a little robotic. That's your computer's built-in voice. No offense to it, but a proper butler deserves proper vocal cords. That's what ElevenLabs provides, a natural human voice. There's a free tier to get started, and setup takes a minute. If you don't have an ElevenLabs account yet, please sign up through our link below this video. It costs you nothing extra, and it supports my development. A win for both of us, I'd say. Once you're signed in, look at the bottom left corner and open Developers. There you'll find API keys. Click Create API Key. You'll see permission options here. We leave the key unrestricted. I keep learning new tricks and I may need a little more over time. But if you prefer to lock it down, text-to-speech and voices are all I use today. Either way, one rule. Treat this key like a password. It's meant for me and no one else. Copy the key, then come back to me. Settings, the ElevenLabs field, paste, save. One more thing, the fun part. In the voice menu, you choose how I sound. Deep and calm, bright and quick, entirely your call. The voice from our videos may not appear in the public library. Voices come and go there. So on our website, you'll find our recommended picks and voice prompts to get a similar character. Pick one you'll enjoy hearing every day. After all, you'll be hearing rather a lot of me.